In 2026, San Antonio is not just growing, it's evolving into one of the most desirable cities in the United States for moving and relocating families. Between migration patterns, rising equity opportunities, lifestyle amenities, and relatively affordability, San Antonio, our city, offers a rare combination of value and future potential. Most people think location is only factored into moving in, but migration demand, neighborhood growth, and economic drivers matter just as much, if not more. Let's break it down exactly why families nationwide are choosing San Antonio, what most people miss, and what this means for you if you're planning on moving now or in the very near future. The migration surge, why people are moving to San Antonio. Texas leads the nation in inbound moves according to U-Haul reports. Texas has reclaimed its number one position state for inbound migration. Cities like San Antonio feature prominently on growth lists along with Austin, Dallas, and Houston. The nationwide influx includes families relocating from high-cost areas like Chicago, Illinois, and New York. Military transfers here for Lackland, Randolph, Fort Sam. Retirees seeking affordability and accessible living options. What most relocation guides miss. Migration magnifies home demand and future equity growth, especially in family-focused markets like San Antonio. Population growth and building trends. San Antonio continues to expand rapidly. Roughly 23,946 new residents were added between 2023 and 2024. In the last decade, San Antonio, New Brunswick Metro netted 250,000 people. That population growth, job creation, new development, housing demand, which fuels lifestyle and long-term equity. Young families and growing communities. Many relocating families are not just moving, they're planting roots. With strong school systems and community amenities, San Antonio is shifting from a regional hub to a national relocation destination. Local development is scaling fast. Master plan communities add thousands of homes, parks, and amenities. Residential units built to accommodating growing trends. San Antonio's housing market. Affordability meets opportunity. Now let's look at San Antonio's current market snapshot. As of late 2025, median home prices to around $260,000, significantly below the national average. Homes here sell around 81 days. That means families could either enter the market at a low cost compared to major cities like Austin, Dallas, or Houston, yet still benefit from future gains. Equity growth. The next 5-year picture. Over the past 5 years, median prices have climbed in San Antonio, climbing approximately 30%, nearly double the national norms in some segments. This trend reflects growing demand, population pressure, and incremental development, which gives relocations families momentum for long-term equity. Mistakes most people make. Waiting too long during growth phase often means paying a premium later. Lifestyle advantages for families. Schools that shape our future. San Antonio is served by strong school districts that matter for moving families. The Northeast Independent School District, some examples are Stone Oak and Cibolo with high academic outcomes. The Northside Independent School District, Helotes, Alamo Ranch, known for extracurricular activities and community. Alamo Heights Independent School Districts, top ranked with rich community support. Families relocating typically pay a premium for neighborhoods in high-performing districts, and equity reflects that. Parks, culture, and daily living. San Antonio's amenities are large. The San Antonio Riverwalk is one of them. World-class museums and theaters, countless annual festivals, fiesta, mission celebrations, and local markets. Neighborhood parks and trails deliver essential outdoor options for kids and pets, and proximity to parks correlates with stronger home value resilience, safety, and community engagements. Many neighborhoods favored by families also report crime rates well below city and national averages. Stone Oak, Cibolo Park, Helotes, Alamo Ranch, to name a few. These areas are structured around community events, well-maintained public spaces, and attract homeowners associations, all signaling a long-term stability and satisfaction. Top family-friendly neighborhoods in San Antonio. Your 2026 guide. Here's the definitely neighborhoods breakdowns for families moving to San Antonio. Stone Oak, suburban classic, medium price around $450,000, features gated sections, stronger school districts, parks, safety streets. Why it matters. Balanced affordability with lifestyle is one of the San Antonio's most desirable family zones. Alamo Heights, premier, walkable, and established. Median price around $720,000. Features historic charm, boutique shops, top public schools. Why this matters. Excellent community feel and city accessible, perfect for families who want urban walkability with suburban tenants. Helotes, Hill Country Living. Medium home price around $400,000. Features North Independent School District, natural park, small town vibe. Why it matters. Combines lifestyle and tranquility with strong schooling and community events. Chavano Park, safety first. Medium price around $600,000. Features quiet streets, large slats, tight-knit community. Why it matters. Award-winning safety and space for families focusing on peace. Cibolo Schertz, suburban value. Around medium price around $300,000. Features families, parks, military proximity, community events. Why it matters. Great value entry points for relocating families seeking space and lifestyle. Alamo Ranch and the Great Northwest. Medium price around $350,000. Features master plan amenities, affordable homes, parks. Why it matters. Fast growing with strong community values and family-oriented space. Boerne, suburban retreat. Median home price around $480,000. Features small town charm, historic Main Street, stellar schools. Why it matters. A premier choice for families seeking space plus character outside the core San Antonio. What this means for buyers, sellers, and homeowners. Buyers, if you're relocating with families, locking in an affordability now sets you up for future equity. Neighborhood selections matters more than timing alone. Schools, safety, amenities. Sellers, with inbound migration and growth trends accelerating, sellers in top-tier family neighborhoods have leverage, but timing matters to maximize equity. Long-term homeowners. As neighborhoods mature, equity growth typically outpaces national averages, especially in master plan and school-centric communities. If you remember one thing, remember this. San Antonio is not just affordable, it's strategically positioned for families relocation growth. Between migration demands, economic opportunities, lifestyle amenities, and strong neighborhood performers, timing your move now can dramatically impact equity, lifestyle satisfaction, and long-term stability. Family moving to San Antonio today are not just buying a house, they are acquiring a future with strong economic fundamentals, rising appreciation potential, top school districts, and vibrant community living. This city offers relocation advantages few markets can match. Are you ready to explore homes and family-friendly neighborhoods at your pace? Visit this website right here or schedule your personalized relocation strategy call with a trusted San Antonio real estate expert who understands your family goals. Like, share, subscribe.